let's bust right into it. Got a handwritten note. It says, "Hi Caleb, 3.5 G flour plus hand pipe. Thank you. Have fun." Got another little, just a card saying how to win a free box. A sticker. You know, that's actually good. They sent us an eighth of glitter bomb, 30%, and their new glass hand pipe. And you can see the hand pipe they sent kind of has a little marble design. Comes with like styrofoam packaging on the inside. And it does have their branding on it saying the weed box.